Hi everyone, today we are quickly diving into a coding challenge called Minimize Inversions. That is a problem B came in Codeforces round 922, rated for Dip 2. In this question, you are given two permutation A and B of length n. A permutation is an array containing n elements from 1 to n and which are all distinct. And your task over here is to minimize the number of inversions. A inversion in a permutation is the number of indices ij such that I is lesser than j, but the element at ith index should be greater than the element at the jth index. And the goal is to minimize this. So let me show this question in a detailed way. In the question, you are given with two array A and B, which are the permutations, and you need to minimize the number of inversions. How can we do that? Now let's say we are having some integers 3, 4, 2, 1, and then 2, 3, 1, 4. Then how can we know the number of inversions contributed by this pair? Because we can swap in the form of pair. I can swap the indices I and j, so these two numbers can get swapped, like the pairs can get swapped. Now, if ai is greater than aj, so how many numbers are lesser than me? Would be the number of inversions that ai can contribute, because if ai is greater than aj, then this could be one of the inversions if I is lesser than j. So I am taking the worst case. If I is less than j, then how many numbers possible to get the inversions? For 3, the number lesser than 3 is 2, that is 3 minus 1. Now we'll be calculating for each and every pair. For 1 and 4, for this 3, and for 1 it's 0. Total it's 3, the number of inversions contributed by this pair, and we'll be calculating the number of inversions for each pair. Now after calculating it, we can sort this in the form of increasing order, and the pair that would be contributing the maximum inversion would be at the last, and the pair that would be contributing the lesser inversion would be at the first. Let's take an input example. In the input it is given as 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and other one can be 4, 2, 3, say 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The inversion contributed by this pair would be 4 plus 0. 1 has no number lesser than 1, so that would be 0. For 5 it would be 4, that is 5 minus 1. So total inversion for this pair would be 4. Same would be for this pair. Now for this pair, 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 2, it would be 5. For 3 and 2, it would be 3 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Now for this pair, 1 plus 3, it would be 4. Now we'll sort this according to the inversion that I am having. So the greatest inversion is 5. So 4 and 3 would be at the last. Now I could take 5, 1 or 1, 5, either of one, because both are having the same inversions. Now it would be 2, 4. It is having the same inversion as 4. Now 3, 2. That is having an inversion of 3. So this array is A and this array is B. That is one of our answers, and we can print this. So that's it. Let me show the code and it will be more clear. What I have done in this code is, first I have taken the input AI and BI. Now I'm calculating the inversion that each pair can contribute. Like at index I, I'm getting an inversion of k, that is AI plus BI. And we can do minus 2 also, because one would be contributing, let's say over AI is 5 and BI is 4. So 5 minus 1, AI will be contributing an inversion of 4 and BI will be contributing an inversion of BI minus 1. So basically it would be AI plus BI minus 2, the number of inversion that at index I we can have. Now we'll sort this, and we are now having a sorted index, like which index should be at the first. According to that, using that particular index, I can print the element at that index for array A and similarly for array B. Element dot second is the index after sorting. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching.